Hey guys, welcome to the workout today. We got a quick workout with water bottles today. Full body workout here. We're going to start with step out squat. So you're taking a step out, come back, step out, come back, step out. Every time you step out, you're squatting. Good job. Now we're going to move into doing the same thing, except when you step out, you're going to press across your body with the water bottle, okay? Step out, press, and back. Step out, press, and back. All right, good job, guys. Just keep this going strong, working the legs and getting your shoulder workout at the same time. All right, good. Next, we're going to go to supine V raises. And supine means that your palms are facing up, and we're kind of making a V with our hands, okay? We're like coming out, making a V. We're not coming straight out to the side of us, but we're kind of coming right in the middle between the straight out in front and the straight out to the side. So right in the center there, making a V. All right, good job, everyone. Okay, next we're going to upright rows. So I want you to pretend there's a string connected to your elbow, and it's pulling it up to the ceiling, okay? Every time you come up, your elbows are just coming up to the ceiling, okay? Good job, everyone. Exhale on the way up. All right, you should feel this in the traps, in the rear delt, the back part of the shoulder. All right, good job, guys. Okay, now we're doing lunges and a shoulder press at the same time. So we're lunging out and pressing. Lunging out and pressing. Good job, everyone. Perfect. We're going about 10 reps on our left leg, and then we're going to switch over and do our other leg. All right, good job, everyone. So this is also called functional workouts. When you're doing like more than one thing, you have to really think like you're lunging out and you're pressing at the same time. So you got to get that mind-muscle connection going. All right, good job, guys. Good job. Keep this going strong and just do them slow and controlled. Make sure you get the movement right. I'd rather you do it slow and correctly rather than real fast. All right, next we're doing a bent over hammer curl. So it's kind of like you're holding the water bottles like they're a hammer, and you're just coming up. You're keeping those elbows out to the side, and you're just moving your hands to curl the water bottles up, okay? We're going about 15 reps on this one. All right, I'm just showing you a little bit different angle here. I'm not putting the number of reps on the screen because I want you to just focus on your form on everything, okay? Just focus on getting the movement right. All right, good job, guys. We're going to an MMA chest press now. So our knees are bent, and we're just pushing one water bottle up at a time, and we're trying to push it up to the middle. See how I'm rotating back and forth to get that water bottle up to the middle. All right, okay, you can see it here. Just gave you a little bit different angle. Just press up, and then the other side press up. All right, good job, guys. Good, perfect. All right, nice work here. Okay, good. All right, next we're gonna go to glute raises, but see how I stepped my feet out just a little bit? So my feet are not as close to my bottom as normal. I stepped them out to be a little further away from me. That makes it just a little bit more challenging. The further your feet are from your body, the more challenging it is. And you're just pushing those hips up as high as you can to the ceiling, and you're just resting those water bottles on your hips. All right, good job. Working the hamstrings here. Good job, guys. Way to work. Perfect. All right. And this one is very isolating on those hamstrings. Okay, so from here, we're just going to go straight into a sit-up. We're just holding those water bottles. We're bringing them back and then forward, and then back and then forward. Really feeling that through the midsection, through the abs. All right, we're going about 10 reps here, or however many you can do. That's good. All right, good job, guys. I'm so happy you're getting this workout in today. It just really takes that consistency. Whether you work out 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 times a week, just try to get that in every week, even if it's just twice a week. You're going to see changes with twice a week, but you're going to see faster changes with 3 times a week. All right, we're doing pullovers now. So think about your body making it nice and long. Think of long and lean. So you're just have your legs stretched out as long as you can, and then you're bringing your arms back, making yourself nice and long. And as you pull those water bottles over, I want you to exhale, okay? Good job, guys. And keep those abs tight when you're doing this exercise, okay? Almost like I want you to flex your abs. Don't pull your belly button in. Just flex your abs as hard as you can. Okay, we're going to a glute calf raise now. So I want you in a glute raise position, and you're just going up on your tippy toes, okay? So the water bottles are resting up on your hips again, okay? You're keeping your bottom off the ground, and you're just doing calf raises, okay? This is just a little variation of a calf raise. You're also going to feel it in the tibialis, that front part of the shin, that muscle that runs down the front part of the leg there. All right, good job, guys. Perfect. Everyone's doing great. All right, good job, good job. Okay, we're going to go to our next thing now. So our next one is going to be knee abduction, okay? And that one, you're going to lay on your side. I want your legs together, your feet and your knees together. And all you're going to do is abduct. So that means you're going to press that top knee up and out, okay? And you're just holding that water bottle on top of your leg. Try to hold it maybe just a little bit above the knee. And you're just coming up and out. And then we're going to go to the other side and do the same thing, okay? All right, good job, guys. Just keep this going strong. Perfect. Okay, way to work, everyone. Good job. These workouts are quick. They should be pretty easy to get these in. They don't take a lot of time. Gets physical activity in for the day, gets that blood flow to the muscles, and it can really energize you for your day. Okay, and this, it does make a difference. Getting these workouts in really makes a difference. Okay, now we're doing seated hip overs. Okay, so I just have the bottles sitting next to each other there, and I'm just going back and forth over one way and then back the other way. Okay, we're just going back and forth with the one foot, and then we're just going to switch feet and do the other side. All right, good job. Just working those hip flexors here. Okay. Yeah, keeping those hip flexors strong. Good job, everyone. Just keep that going. Keep working. They don't look like much, but these will sneak up on you and really give you a burn through those hip flexors, okay? They're a little bit harder than they look. All right, now we're back up to our feet, guys, okay? So I want you to take a super wide stance with your toes slightly pointed out, and I just want you doing very small squats, okay? We're doing like low squats here, so you're just coming all the way down and then not all the way back up. You're just coming up a little bit and then back down. Down and then up a little, down and up a little. Good job, everyone. Just keep these going strong. Perfect. All right. Next, we're going to go to overhead extensions. We're working the triceps here, okay? So I just want your elbows up. Keep those in one spot, and you're just letting your hands drop behind your head, and then you're just going to push them straight back up to the ceiling, okay? We're getting the back part of the arms there, called the triceps. All right, good job. All right, perfect, everyone. Now we're going to go to a bent over row, but I want you to alternate hands. I just want you to go back and forth, okay? Try to keep that form really good. Your back is nice and straight, chest out, glutes out, just keeping that back straight. And I'm giving you a side view just so you can see that my back is nice and straight. And I'm just controlling the water bottles. Okay, good job, everyone. Perfect. Way to work that back. All right, nice. Okay, that is our whole workout for today. And that was a great workout, guys. Okay, go out and make it a great day.